What really happens to a bamboo shoot in the moments after it's cut from the forest floor? Why do some shoots stay crisp and mild, while others quickly turn bitter and tough? How much time do factories really have before freshness is lost? And what role does food science play in saving it? Behind this simple-looking ingredient is a race against nature, guided by speed, hygiene, and precision control. What seems like a quiet forest harvest actually triggers a tightly managed industrial process. In this video, we take you step by step through the complete journey of bamboo shoots, starting from the instant they emerge from the soil to their transformation inside modern, high-tech factories. You'll discover how timing, temperature, and technology work together to remove bitterness, lock in texture, and ensure safety. From forest floors to factory lines, this is the hidden process that turns a raw bamboo shoot into a shelf-stable food enjoyed in kitchens around the world. Rise of high-tech bamboo shoot processing plants. The rise of high-tech bamboo shoot processing plants is driven by growing global demand for safe, consistent, and ready-to-use foods. Traditionally, bamboo shoots were processed locally using manual methods, which often led to uneven quality, strong bitterness, and food safety risks. As bamboo shoots gained popularity in international cuisines, factories began adopting modern technology to meet strict export standards and consumer expectations. High-tech plants now use automated washing lines, precision cutting machines, temperature-controlled blanching systems, and advanced sterilization equipment. These technologies reduce human handling, improve hygiene, and ensure uniform texture and flavor. Harvesting. The process begins with harvesting, where precise timing is essential for quality. Bamboo shoots are picked while young, tender, and tightly wrapped, just after emerging from the soil. If left too long, they rapidly become tough and fibrous. Workers carefully cut the shoots using clean tools, sort them by size, and quickly move them to shaded collection points to preserve freshness and prevent spoilage during transport to processing facilities immediately. Transport. After harvesting, bamboo shoots are transported in crates or ventilated bins to prevent crushing and overheating. Factories closely monitor time and temperature during transit, since delays increase bitterness and texture loss. Upon arrival, staff inspect shoots for damage, mold, or over-maturity. Because freshness is vital, processing usually begins the same day the shoots reach the plant. Receiving. At intake, bamboo shoots are weighed, logged, and assigned batch codes to ensure full traceability. Trained inspectors examine each shipment for proper size, firmness, color, and overall quality, removing any damaged pieces. Random samples are often sent for laboratory testing to confirm cleanliness and food safety before processing begins under strict hygiene standards. Pre-washing. Next comes pre-washing, as bamboo shoots arrive coated with soil, sand, and forest debris. They pass through large washing channels or drum washers where pressurized water and gentle movement loosen dirt. In modern plants, water is continuously filtered and refreshed to prevent recontamination. This stage removes heavy debris, making peeling and trimming cleaner, faster, and more hygienic. Peeling. After washing, the tough outer husks are removed to reach the edible core. This is done either by skilled workers using knives or by automated peeling machines. Once peeled, shoots are trimmed at the base and tip to remove fibrous ends. This step is essential as it directly affects the texture, appearance, and uniform quality of the final product. Cuttings. Now the cleaned shoots are cut into familiar store-ready forms. Depending on the product, they may be sliced, diced, shredded, halved, or kept whole. Automated cutters create uniform sizes for even cooking and attractive packaging. Factories often sort shoots into quality grades based on thickness and appearance. Consistent sizing also improves food safety by ensuring uniform heat treatment. Controlled soaking. Fresh bamboo shoots contain natural bitterness and compounds that must be reduced safely. To do this, factories use controlled soaking or rinsing before cooking. Shoots pass through clean water tanks, sometimes with mild salt solutions to draw out bitterness. Time, temperature, and water quality are carefully controlled, since over-soaking softens the texture while under-soaking leaves an unpleasant taste. Blanching. This is a critical processing stage known as blanching or boiling. Bamboo shoots are heated in stainless steel kettles or continuous blanchers to deactivate spoilage enzymes, reduce natural bitterness, and remove unwanted compounds. Precise control of time and temperature ensures even, safe cooking while preserving a tender yet crisp texture throughout all pieces. Rapid cooling. Right after heating, the shoots must be cooled quickly. If they stay hot too long, they overcook and become mushy. Factories use cooling tanks or chilled water flumes to drop the temperature fast. In advanced plants, cooling water is sanitized and constantly monitored. This step locks in the texture, keeping shoots crisp rather than soft, and also prepares them for packaging by stabilizing the product and reducing microbial growth risk. Packing options. Now the shoots are ready for packaging, where different products take shape. For canned bamboo shoots, pieces are filled into sterilized cans and covered with brine. Vacuum-packed shoots are sealed in food-grade pouches with air removed to extend shelf life. Jarred products are placed in sterilized glass jars with measured liquid. Each method uses specialized machinery to ensure speed, hygiene, and consistent quality. Pasteurization. After sealing, bamboo shoot products undergo final heat treatment. Cans and jars pass through retort sterilization, using pressurized steam or hot water to destroy harmful microbes. Vacuum-packed products may be pasteurized, depending on storage needs. This step is strictly monitored with time temperature records, as it is a key food safety control point. When done correctly, it ensures a long shelf life without preservatives. Final inspection. After heat treatment, packages are cooled to prevent overcooking and stabilize seals. They're then dried and cleaned so labels stick properly and cartons stay strong. Final inspections check seals, vacuum levels, can seams, and jar lids. Many plants use metal detectors or X-ray systems to detect foreign objects. Any faulty items are removed automatically, while approved products receive batch codes and dates for full traceability. Labeling. Once approved, products move into labeling and packing. Labels are applied, cartons are formed, and units are grouped into cases. Palletizing machines stack cartons onto pallets in stable patterns, then wrap them tightly for transport. Warehousing systems track every pallet, linking it to the original harvest batch. This makes it possible to trace any product back through every processing step if needed. Shipping to markets. Finally, pallets are moved into storage areas. Shelf-stable canned and jarred bamboo shoots can be stored at ambient temperature, while some vacuum-packed products may require chilled storage depending on processing and regulations. Orders are picked, loaded onto trucks or shipping containers, and sent to supermarkets, restaurants, and export markets. From there, bamboo shoots reach kitchens worldwide, ready for stir-fries, soups, curries, and salads. From forest floors to high-tech factories, bamboo shoots travel a remarkable path of precision, care, and technology. Each step preserves freshness, safety, and flavor. Thanks for joining this journey from nature to innovation. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more behind-the-scenes food stories.